To Google Analytics. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to go to analytics.google.com, and you need to be signed in to your Gmail account that has administrative access to the Google Analytics account. Whenever you get into Google Analytics, you're going to hover over this gear icon and click on admin right here in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Click on that. And then your next thing you're going to click on is Property Access Management, right here in the center box here. And then once you do that, you're going to see this page come up, Property Access Management. You're going to click on the plus sign, add user, and enter the email address. And it needs to be a Gmail email address. If it's not a Gmail email address, it's going to make it a little harder for you to add someone. You'll have to do another step of adding another domain name that is not gmail.com. But hopefully whoever wants into your account has a specific Gmail account set up for this, and it'll make entering them as a user easy. So once you have their email added, I'm just going to put a fake one in here. You're going to select notify a new user by email, and then you're going to select their roles, and their role can be anywhere from administrator all the way to viewer. And so once you do that, you hit add, and they will be notified. And then you can always remove them here, remove access, and that is how you add someone and how you remove someone. Thanks for watching. Bye.